What is up, guys? Welcome back to another week of cringe. Back again this week. Oh, wait, just give me a second. Hopefully the audio is on. Hello, testing. Can you hear me, please? Hello, Professor Frankly Gaming. Hello, Zeno Ace Mods. What's up? What's up? Not much, not much. Beep boop. Marn is here as well. Looks like I'm going to be kicking it off alone. Alone right now. But yeah, you may be asking yourself, gee, what surprises are we going to do today, right? What nice things. And usually, you know, my day goes along the lines of, hey Luca, remember that Pokédex script? Oh, hey, what about this Pokédex script? What about the UI script? Bah. So yeah, guess what? This is what. Audio is good, great, great. Great. But yeah, unfortunately we shall be doing this today. This time I've taken some time to try and port it over to version 17 beforehand. There were quite a few compatibility issues. I had to scrap a lot of the features and functions of what I've done before because the Pokédex screen got a bit more complicated. Like, you've got the, I don't even know what this is for. Then you got this, and then you've got this, but it's in so many, like, it's in so many different classes. It's in, oh, Maruno, I do love your way of doing stuff. But yeah, a whole bunch more work for me, I guess. Hey. You'll work on your game while hearing you. Oh, that's. Oof, good luck, guys, good luck. I consider myself more of a distraction rather than a soothing companion to help you guys with your work ethics or whatever else. But yeah, basically before the stream started, like a couple of minutes ago, I was testing something, like the final piece of the puzzle that I completely forgot, and which is the capturing Pokemon. Now this I had to, because the thing is, like, there's two ways I could have gotten about this. One would be to incorporate the new Pokédex into the EBS, but since I want this to be a standalone script, I don't want it to rely on my other stuff, except the utilities part, because the utilities are big, you know. So I want to see if this works. It probably won't. How does one unlock the national Pokédex? That is a question. How's hoot hoots? Okay, that part seems to work. Okay. Wait, let me try it with. Still haven't gotten used to this. Let me try it with a Gen 1 Mon to see if, you know, the stuff pops up that I want to pop up, and you'll see if this works. You'll know exactly what I mean, and if it doesn't, well, poop. Okie dokie. Charmander was caught. You gained EXP, data recorded to Pokédex. Ah, okay, so it shows the other evolutions. That's fine, that's fine. As silhouettes, and no. Now let's try it out for Charmeleon. Yeah, so basically a lot of back and forth testing this stuff out because yeah, when I started the Pokédex, you know, version 16 was the most up-to-date one, and plugging this thing into version 17 is just too new. Doesn't really play well together. But yeah, we'll try to fix up the few hiccups, then make a new. Okay, so that works. Fine. That's nice. At least we got something. Okay, so that's fine. Now I'm going to need to make a brand new forms page because the old one wasn't integrated well. Didn't work. And I completely forgot that I also have to do the search functionality of the decks. So yeah. Where can I find Gen 1 to 6 animated sprites with black and white graphics? Google the X and Y Smogon sprite project, something like that. So Smogon X and Y project, and they have fan-made sprites. Ooh. Which take care of the stuff. Refresh decks list. Okay, so I do got sorting already kind of plugged into this thing. Is this still a thing in version 17? I don't know. I guess yes. I guess so. Heaviest, tallest, smallest. And search. So it looks like I've got the backbone for the search as well. Deck search. Trying to find which functions I need to overwrite. Let's try and trigger it from our scene. See what it looks like. Because ideally, I'd like to write this stuff from scratch, but it's going to be such a pain in the butthole. But you know what I could do? I could split the decks up into multiple scripts instead of having it like cluttered in one here, you know? Since the UPI does allow that, and the same thing we have for EBS, you know, there's no point. I mean, look at this. The deck script is currently like bigger than EBS stuff. So I think that would be an optimal thing to do, because I'm having kind of tough time looking through all of this. This is so. But of course, the final product will be more organized. Yeah, let's say organized. Okay. Let's add it here then. I'll see if. What do we say? Input A. Let's see if and what the deck search looks like. Pokédex screen is awesome, thanks man. Hey Frog Wizard, hey. What's up Zomori? Nothing much is too drastically going on, you know, at the moment. I did have like the last couple of weeks were pretty much a huge pain in the butthole, but I sorted out all the stuff I wanted to sort out. Pokédex main 990. But yeah, man, I've been extremely busy. 990. Search patterns the clone. What's this? So in the start scene, I probably want to take this as well. Yeah, what was I saying? Right, busy. Had projects at university, had exams and stuff like that. You know, the regular jolly old stuff. Oh boy. So good. Such a joy. But yeah. Or does this thing get refreshed in here? Is this gonna overwrite everything? Oh no, I didn't define it once. Uh-huh. I could have sworn I just saw. Oh no, that's search results. Okay, okay. How can I change the title screen in the new UPI version? Yep, Frog Wizard updated it. I've seen a lot of videos about the script from Ultimate Title Screen, but the UPI I cannot because SJ plugin settings does not come. Yeah, but as Frog Wizard said, everything is located in the settings script. I mean, the videos, if you check the date, they are out of date and they're outdated when it comes to that stuff. But I should probably update my website mentioning, if it doesn't already. Let me check real quick. Yeah, I should probably have it updated to mention the what's its face, downloads, installer, that all the settings are going to be in the, or maybe just have the UPI mention it, like, hey, by the way, your settings are in the settings script. Let's see if I have it in the instructions, and I don't. So okay, I'll definitely mention it on the website again. Totally forgot about that. But yeah, where was I? What's this? This button? And nope. 1023, 1023, 1023, 1023. Ah, okay. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to just even trigger out to test it like this. Poop. Poop, poop. Oh, wait. I forgot to switch back here. Also, I love the cool animations you did for the moon and the last stream. For the moon and the last stream. For the moon and the last stream. What was the last stream? I don't remember what exactly we did on the last stream. Oh my god, no. Okay, so the last stream I totally forgot to update. I mean, publish. It's not even public yet. Nice. The stream before that, number 28, was the Team Skull animation, and then the moon was 2 streams before that. But yeah, I plan on making more of those animations. I really do like those. I think they're kind of cool stuffs. Who is up for the holidays? Oh, I'm definitely up for the holidays. I could use some holidays. Holidays, yeah. When I try to execute the UPI, it says that needed an internet connection, but Wi-Fi I'd on. Yeah, so Golden Company, if you have antivirus, firewall, some other third-party plugins, apps on your machine that could possibly prevent, you know, any kind of HTTP internet connectivity when it comes to the UPI, nothing I can do on my end. The check is there for a reason, you know. What the check does is it tries to download a test file, you know. It tries to download a test file, and if it can't download a test file, it just thinks it's not connected to the internet, which makes sense, right? So it closes out on you. So I don't know, you probably have antivirus or something else blocking the UPI's ability to connect to the internet and download stuff. Like XCam Elite Battle episode 15 is outdated. Yeah, his Camro's version for EBS has been outdated twice now. So first time was when I did the migration to the UPI, and then the second time to the new UPI, and even my own video on EBS is outdated right now, especially given that there have been some significant changes in the meantime to the way you do stuff in it. like sprite conversion, the new sun and moon versus sequences and stuff like that. So yeah. Volke, greetings to you too. Wow. How's everybody? Rinko, wait, did you just change your name right now? Because the image is the same. Yeah, how's everybody? How you guys enjoying the Saturday? And also, is Saturday better for you guys when it comes to the streams? I'm thinking of putting this like a permanente thing for Saturdays. And next week, I will have to make new graphics, stream graphics, and configure the scenes differently because there is something different I want to do for the stream next week. Something new, something that could be useful for a multiple of different projects. Well, not last stream, I mean one of your other streams, did mistake. Yeah. It's one of these, the streams that I was working on this. Yeah, this thing. And we did the moon sparkly animation. Yay moon. So we got the sunshine. I do want to make some kind of windy stuff. The problem is I don't know how to make the graphics for the windy stuff. And I also want to have like one animation for having like leaves blow over the screen and one for having flower petals blow over the screen. So kind of the same thing. But yeah. They changed the name Rinko originally and changed for something. Oh, something not safe for work. Look, Golden Company, there's really nothing much I can do. Like, look, I go to my thing, I go to run the UPI, you know, I got the same script that you got, you know, it's not script based, it's machine based. See, it works and it tries to load stuff. And also, let's see if Marin published something new. I did publish an EBS update, like 3 consecutive EBS updates to clear up some minor bug fixes. And one of them, like the positioner doesn't work again, apparently for some reason. I don't know what's up with that. Oh, Poketch got updated. No new scripts in here. But yeah, let me update stuff on stream. So you can see I'm not making stuff up. So good, man. So good. UPI, like you can hate all you want. I don't care. I'm never switching away from the UPI. UPI is big. It's the babe. Like, look at this stuff. Updating it has become so easy. But yeah, now we got Marin stuff up to date as well. And if you guys didn't know, like in one of the not so recent updates, but yeah, in one of the updates for the UPI, well, I guess I could address it now on the stream. I was debating on making a video on it, but the video would be like 5 seconds long. So there's new search parameters you can search by, but you know, you got these 2 buttons, one to reverse the order and one to sort in alphabetical order, and then you can combine the 2, you know, to like go reverse alphabetical. But then you can also search by, I think it's state. So to search, for example, only the installed ones, or you can do is, like incompatible, something like this, or okay, I guess no, dependent, conflicted, yeah, see, so you can like see conflicted scripts and stuff like that, which I think is really cool. For the next update to the UPI, what I do want to do though is like these things, you know how you can like search by tag and stuff like that. I was thinking of having like a drop-down menu that like you can select certain things from, like because the state uninstall. Nothing outdated. Do you have something that's like to check for not installed stuff? Or did I install everything? No, I'm pretty sure I didn't. Like these, I don't know. But basically the idea was to have like a drop-down menu that you can click on and then like search for all installed ones, search for all outdated ones. I mean, you can basically do it like this, like I said, outdated. But I think having a UI kind of like I have for these buttons would be nicer for that stuff. And also, if you didn't see the community tab for Relic Castle, while Iron Mapper was still a thing, I mean, the contest right now is closed for the trial 3. But while it was open, like this icon updated and, you know, it would take you right there. So do, like, from time to time, do check your homepage if you're opening the UPI. Maybe there's some like new stuff going on that might interest you. But anyway, away from this, let's get back to script stuff. Yeah, I'm good with Saturday. That's great. I try to delete UPI from the folder and download again. Also, Luca, did you? Yeah, I like vector art because it's, I don't know, for me at least, it's much easier to work with. Installed the updates already. That was safe for work. Just the stuff gone. Okay. But yeah, I do like vector art. Like pretty much all the stuff I do is vector art based. Like I said, it's much easier. Like while you're working on stuff, filling out shapes, creating gradients, special effects, shadows, and all that stuff, it's super easy. If you want to resize on the fly, you don't lose quality and stuff like that. I really do like that kind of stuff. So I do appreciate vector art. Yeah. Okay, so the decks. Yeah, well, we're going to have trouble. We're going to have trouble. Because I don't want to get rid of functionality from the decks, but I also want to add some new stuff. If you catch my drift. So yeah, kind of same cosmetic update, of course, but like stuff. See, this is the stuff. Name. Oh boy. Oh, so, aha. Oh, okay, that's nice. So I do need these things. Oh, look at that. Holy crap, I've never once in my life used the search functionality of the decks. This is really cool though. Yeah, that's cool stuff. So it changes the scaling it goes up to. Nice. Shape. Oh, look at that. Man, Maruno did a lot of work. I don't even want to, you know, think about how long this took him to make. Like this, the search functionality is... What a numerical, lightest. Start. And then the color changes of this as well. So it's a different scene then. Because if I go into search and let's go G. Okay. Nope. Nope. Yeah, I still suck at this. Yeah. Ideally, when you click the G, you know, since it can be one letter, it would take you directly to OK. And okay, start. Yeah, see, so search results. So this is a different scene. Okay, let's grab a few screenshots then. For reference sake. Cool, I actually do vector art in my old work. I was a kid, but I guess been getting better. Well, practice makes perfect. It's one of those tedious things I keep saying a lot lately, but yeah, practice with practice, everything can be, you know, anything is possible. Okay, so let's grab this. Here's neighbor. Okay, let's get this down to presentable scale. What else? Color. Yeah, okay, I guess it's pretty much going to be the same thing. So I can just grab a few things for reference. Well, it seems like a lot of work. I do like the new shape field though. Like this is cool. This is cool. I do like this. So we're going to have to design more UI for the search as well as, you know, actually code it. And the last reference was these sliders. And yeah, these look cool. I'm kind of not a fan of the arrows at the bottom here. I think like just these two sliders would have been okay. IMO, it's kind of overkill, you know. With the thing. I guess people... I get it, it's there for people to understand that you can slide left to right, but I think like seeing a scale would be intuitive enough, in my opinion. I wouldn't need extra arrows, so I think I'm going to dump the arrows. And I don't know, let's give it a shape field. Let's like go for a dragon type thing and start. But now it's not blue. Interesting. Okay. Should I make EBS dependent on the new Pokédex script though? I mean, I think I've pretty much sorted out like all the compatibility issues. Forms. Except this one. With the positioning. Can you see my mouse? No, no, you can't. Yeah, okay. Okay, I think we got enough reference material here. For the time being. Will I implement the Pokédex script in the UPI? Yes. Pretty much from the UPI's release until forever, all of my stuff is going to be released there. Pretty much. Because the new infrastructure of the thing is extremely nice, given that I can like add stuff on the fly. Because previously the reason I didn't like include every single one of my smaller scripts inside of there is because it didn't have a centralized online database. It didn't work the way it does now. It's way more sophisticated now. Basically all the packs are handled and stored online, and then it just like fetches them for work, I guess. And I'm noticing today I've been having quite the luck with performance. Which is an odd thing. Usually performance while streaming is kind of crap on my end. But today is a good day. I wanted this for reference just for the design. Because we want to keep it in line, you know, like see everything is nicely done here. I want to do the same thing. And if I actually check into the thing I've noticed is with the new folders in here, so I'm naming mine, you know, to keep it separated. So I guess I could do that as well. So having these be hard imprinted images, I guess one could say. What's this? Menu, use, and noun. Menu scene now. Oh, menu scene own. Oh, I get it. It's for the splash. Okay, okay. Oh, which is another thing. Like I haven't. There's no interface toggle to go like between the different dexes. Let's see what these are like. Forms area. Sure. Sure. But I'm going to split it up into more layers. Yeah, I'm going to split it up into more layers. These are nice. Meaning that I have the graphics for the background here. No, not here. I have the graphics for the background here and here, which is the animated scrolling thingy. And I've got some buttons here. But I will like, these graphics are going to be overlays, you know, for the bottom thing. But I do think the Pokédex in Essentials looks nice. I mean, this is a really nice replica of what it feels like in the Gen 2 remakes. Most definitely. So I want to catch my this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. All of this. So, let's say for example for this. So, come on. Search mode. Search mode. And maybe I could like adjust the hue on the background through code. You know, because there is a difference like in the... Maybe have it inverted, like go from... Like because Essentials goes from red to blue, and maybe I can make it go from blue to red. Yeah. That could be an idea. So search mode. Search mode. I don't know what I want to do for the buttons though. Okay, ideally they should look probably like this. Okay. I don't know, I can... Come on. Let's get rid of these. And what did I want to do? I wanted to save this as concept dex. I don't know. Search. And go back in here and open this up again. To steal some stuff. Basically. Let's take this. Take this here. Plop. Poof. Like so. Jagged edges. Gross. Let me just fix up the shape real quick. Same thing for the bottom. See, this is why I like vector graphics, because you can change stuff like this on the fly. And it's really simple, you know? No big deal. Okay, now we got the hard edge. We don't want that premature aliasing. No. We ain't about that stuff. Wait. Did I really delete it? Yeah, I did. So ideally, we basically want all of this. So, I don't know, I guess for the beginning I could first off group these, send that to the back, and then make buttons for this thing here. Well, I guess these are fine when it comes to their size. So let's check. So I'm going to capitalize the stuff on the buttons, because that's just my style. I was praising my performance just a minute ago and now it's crap again. Figures. So, reset. Nice to know you're working on the Pokédex script. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions about the Dex. You're doing amazing. Oh, that's great to hear. Is it possible to be able to search your version of the Pokédex via typing on your keyboard using the keyboard script? If you can elaborate on that. Do you mean like... I don't know, what do you mean? Oh, you know what I could do? So, for example, search, this boy here, could trigger a little context menu, which would be by name, by number, and then advanced. And advanced search would like open up this whole thing, but the other two would be quick searches. Is that like what you'd mean? To be able like to type in the name and then like search for the species name. I'd have to first map the what's its face, the input spectrum, input hash to something. Yeah, the thing is, like, okay, you're saying you'd be able to use the keyboard for text entry for search, but do you see how, like, do you see what search looks like in Essentials? It's not that simple though. I'm guessing the stream delay is also making our communication no more easier. You get what I mean? Like, there's a lot of parameters you can search by, but I could make, and that's a very good idea. Like, I could make a quick search option that would always be listening to. Basically, that will always be listening to what's its face. To your keyboard entry. So having something to, you know, on the fly, like search for stuff. The only downside I see would be, I think I've optimized the chunks pretty well. We could try it now. We could try it now. Let me save this for now. Let's try something for now then. That's a cool idea. Like opening, actually, even without the contextual menu, like having your Dex open and searching immediately from it. I'll need to consult the internet though. Oh boy. How your tax brackets could change on the transplant. So see, I need this. This is what I need. And I need it for... So I'm just going to include the letters. You won't be able to use special characters. Because, come on guys. Come on. But I guess I could like make a module in my main utility script to work with that stuff. Snooper. So then have like a main hash. So the symbol would be, you know, like fetch this stuff through a symbol. So I guess let's try something. Oops, I forgot how to do my hashes. And then 0 times 65. B. B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, so this is just going to be... I don't even need to reference it anymore. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I do like that idea. If you guys have more ideas like that, I'm always yours. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. 7, 68, 9, 70, 71, 72, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And O, P. 76, 77, 78, 79, OP, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, P, Q, Q, R, S, T. I know this is really interesting, but bear with me. V, W, X, Y, Z. So 80, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that looks about right. So yeah, I think the input takes these. And I also want to take these as well, but these are going to be only for numeric. There's already a script for keyboard input. Yes, we have keyboard input. But I don't have a full map like this. And I need a full map like this because I want to do my own loops. I don't want to rely on somebody else's stuff. I mean, that's the nice thing about like making scripts from scratch is they're from scratch. So why not? Let's compress this a bit. Just so it looks nicer. come on. I already messed up. So let me format this. So I want to have one for letter hash. Oops, let me get rid of this. Letter hash, and I also want a hash for numbers. Because the thing is this, this is my line of thought. So if you're typing in letters, it's going to search your dex by letters, and if you're typing in numbers, it's going to search your dex by the dex number. So that's the first train of thought. And the second train of thought is preventing these things from mix and matching. So if you're starting to type out a string, it's going to block number entry, and if you're typing in numbers, it's going to block string entry. So that's why this is much better than me trying to use a already existing keyboard entry. For one, like the keyboard is going to take into consideration all the inputs, shifts, and stuff like that. And let's be real, we don't need any of that, so that's okay. We can just do this stuff. I mean, I guess, you know, what I can do is like add shift as well. So, you know, so it shows up properly. But yeah, let's make a number hash now. So, is this even going to work? Can I use this? I probably can't use numeric as number. Let's see if this is going to throw out a syntax error in my face. I never use this, so bear with me. Yep, syntax error. Let's give it then, I guess let's go with words. It doesn't matter in the long run. It's just, yeah, it doesn't matter. 48 to 57. So what is it? 48. Okay. Your X. 48. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's this? 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 56. And let's see if this is correct. 56, 57. So I missed out a number, and that's 0, of course. Ha. Of course I would do something like that. Zero. And now I gotta adjust the numbers for everything. No. 49, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So actually that's, wait, let's name this input. Let's name this as well input, and then we're going to have at letter hash, at letter hash underscore. No, actually at letter hash not underscore, down case, and we're going to have for uppercase, But yeah, I like the idea. I like the idea of quick search. I really do like it. At number hash. So the thing we want to do now is we want our stuff to correspond to this. So we set down case. So let's do down case B, because the symbols are going to be pretty much the same thing. So yeah. E. Man, I should have written the script to write this for me. God damn it. G H. So interesting, man. So interesting. J K L M N. Commentary on fleek today. You gotta use input trigger EX of input trigger. I know. I am aware of my hex stuff. I have been using. I've been doing this stuff a lot on my own for my own projects, so I know how this kind of stuff works. Don't worry, man. Don't worry. I got this. I got you covered. But yeah, quick search, man. That's why didn't I think of it? It makes a lot of sense. W X Y Z. Luca, could you make a footprint system like clients not working for? I don't know. I didn't think about it. I usually don't take like requests off the bat, right? Like this, if it doesn't really pertain to like stuff I'm currently doing. So I don't know. Maybe one day. Maybe one day, but it's not really. It doesn't really interest me that much. To be frank. G H I J K L M N. That'd be nice. Q R S T. And the only concern of mine that I have right now is depending on how well or not I've optimized this, like the rendering of the panels. It could get a bit tricky. Because you got to keep in mind that for this, so this I'm like at once I'm rendering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and then 13 14 15 16 if they exist panels, and each of these panels are actually 4x4 of this thing. One doesn't have the name, one has the red stuff, one has the animated, you know, for all the animation and the fancy stuff. And the thing that takes up the most time resource-wise is this guy, man. Like writing text is always a big resource drain in RGSS. So we'll see. I have an idea on how I want to optimize it though. 8, 9. Like I'll make a buffer, you know. So while you're like, if you're quickly typing stuff, and while you're typing stuff, it's not going to refresh immediately. So it's going to let you type out your stuff. Because like if you're quick at typing, it can get really annoying. Yeah, it gets really annoying. I've had this issue before where the stuff on screen didn't update fast enough to be able to even log your keys properly, and basically it's not a nice thing. Sneaking into the stream. Hey hyperactive, welcome back. Use constants, you doof. What do you mean use constants? This sounds like a very cool feature for your Pokédex script. Yeah, in general. for an infinitely better way. But you know what? You know what? I'll take you up on that offer. But I'm not going to do your way because you have no idea what I'm even trying to do. I think I installed your package. Let me snoop through his code. Which code script is it on? 0, 1, or 2? I see what you did there. I see what you did there. So you're recommending using an array. And just swap these things around. Well, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Wait, we'll try his scrubby way. Yeah. I guess you can use these guys as keys immediately. Yeah. I get it. I was going to do the same thing, but I don't know. More like this. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Eight, 6, 5, no, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I missed out a 2. Dyslexia. Let's try it like this. Okay. Because look at what I have now. Yes. Stream hype, the guy T. Hello, Rayquaza. Welcome back. You're now late. Everybody's late at some point in their life. Yeah, you know the reason I have this is because I didn't think of this until I was typing out this, so I kind of did that, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? But you'll see my logic for separating number input and letter input as well. So don't fret not. You'll understand my genius in a bit. Let's clean this up. Wastage of time. Oh, why did I keep this? God damn it. Get rid of symbols. Get rid of that. Now copy this. And go like that. Oops. Okie dokes. And yeah, this part is going to be annoying though. Typing out all these letters again. Yeah, baby. Okay. C D D D D D. A Yu-Gi-Oh reference. Cyberlink Dragon when G G H H I J J K K. No, 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 Marin, no. Why the heck am I doing this? Your superior method, man. This is so stupid. I mean, okay, using the input as symbols, that's cool. That's cool, bruv. But this part is stupid. This part is stupid. This part is unnecessary. This part is tedious. This part is wastage of time. We don't need this kind of stuff in our life. Absolutely no need for it. Let's get rid of the rest. Because you know, Marin, there's something called .upcase. Ta-da! I mean, why not let the code do its work for you? That seems like a better idea for me. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to map the text. Okay. A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Upcase wasn't because you also had symbols. It's my fault for coffee. No, I was going. I mean, I did it anyway, like the pleb way, but whatever. Yeah, I get it. I get it for the symbols. But then you could have an exclusion for symbols. Right? Yeah, okay. Self dot and then I could go like for key in, so I'm going to go like this. String false. Numeric false, because we want to like disable the stuff if we're typing it in. So if input dot, I'm going to use repeat ex. Actually, I need to start a loop for. So for key in at letter input dot keys, key. So if this thing is pressed, then add string is going to be equal to true. But we also want a which is going to reset this thing to false. And I just realized I didn't do def. Man, wish I had those skills now, because at some point I need to work for concept art. Get good, yeah, yeah, Scrubs, get good, Scrubs. No, I'm just kidding. It pretty much comes with a lot of like repetitive practice. If and then S is going to be a letter input key. What's the for control? Do we even have this here? I don't think so. Shift. Maybe this? Maybe this. Actually, I think that one is already in P screen controls. Yeah, actually it's 22. Okie dokes. So where's my script? No. Okay, so I got this one. It's going to upcase and then return S. And then for key in at number input dot keys. Next if string, then if input dot repeat ex key numeric true, return number input key. Did I use curly brackets? I used the regular parentheses instead of this. So end and loop for string snooping, loop for numbers. And IMO, this should work. Oh, Robert, my dude. Hello, Robert. Yeah. Had to do something. Wasn't very creative. Your lack of creativity is... it's definitely coming through. What's this? Roan the Fish is back. Yo, Roan the Fish. Luca Senpai, do you watch Food Wars? You mean Shokugeki no Soma. Come on, let's keep it clean, right? Let's keep it pure. Unlike Nakiri, who is not pure, who is complete and utter trash. And Marin is going to agree with me, you know, that Nakiri, okay, Nakiri Erina, trash. Nakiri Alice, I guess I could give her a pass. But yeah. So, yo, Luca Senpai, do you watch Food Wars? I do watch Food Wars. I do watch Food Wars. I do watch it. It's a good show. I like it. So I got the key input fetcher. And I got the sniffing tool right here. Letters. So I got numbers, letters. I got this thing. Fucking Alice. You what, mate? Yeah, Alice is definitely better than Erina. And we all know it. No, Erina is not bae. Erina is... But I mean, what do you expect from a plebeian who's got plebeian tastes? I wouldn't expect anything else from you, to be completely 100% honest, mein dude. So it's okay. Okay, so let's go key buffer. Let's actually have the snooper return a value of false if it doesn't get any of these. Shift. Press. Right, now is the thing of like creating the logic in here. Like I said, I do want to snoop buffer here. String. It's going to be 0. And let's do it. Let's do it. So okay. Close. PBDex. I'm guessing this is the one. Update. Search. I'm going to keep this guy in its own class. Or actually, let's keep it. That's okay. Def. Update. Search. So I'm going to go and have be like this. I forgot what I even call this thing. This guy. So this is the deal, and we're going to go like dot if at. So if the search string is currently at nothing, it's going to do this. And otherwise it's going to do that. So now we got to do this. If key. So first of all, if key. So if it's something, and then if key dot is underscore a numeric. Actually, I guess I don't even need it. So I just need the if key, and then we're going to go at search string is plus equal to key dot is a numeric C, and then we're going to go key dot to underscore S, otherwise we're just going to go key. C. So that takes care of that. But we also want something for backspace. So keyboard input hex backspace, because we want to be able to delete stuff. Virtual key codes. Backspace key. There we go. So if input dot repeat ex to delete, we're going to go at, can you minus equal a string? Let's actually find out together. Where's the string? Ha, no, you can't. So I gotta delete the last one. And you can... it's got no delete. Look, please stop using Bing and start using Google. It's okay. The reason I'm using Edge and Bing is because if I open up my other web browsers, we're gonna have a bad time. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go s is equal to search string dot scan. So I'm going to scan the string if s. Actually, first of all, so if it's not equal to just blank, we're going to go like this. We're going to scan elements, and then but it's not going to insert a blank. Wait, actually, let me just check out something real quick. Quick maths. I guess I could do it here. So P, let's go hello scan. I want to see what this. I mean, this is going to return HELLO. Yeah, that's what I thought. But I want to see what this returns. So if this is going to get messed up, so I want to have a blank character first, and then E, and then Y. Okay. Okie dokie. So the Z is fine. This is perfectly okay. Perfectly reasonable. That's fine. So what I can do is I can do so s.insert. Is this the syntax? Let's check it. Yeah. Okay, so it's inserts at 0 and inserts the value. Fine. So we want to insert a blank thing here in case we delete, you know, the stuff. And then we go if s.length is greater than 1. And if s.length is greater than 1, we do at search string is equal to s.delete underscore at s.length minus 1 dot join, which should be backspace done. Bing is the best browser, well, Bing is technically not a browser, but Bing is a web searching thingy engine. But yeah. And by the way, Google tracks everything, so no. Computer repair business, and I set Google Chrome to default browser. I set search to Google, ask user to download files and install AdBlock Plus on all clients' PCs. Sounds like a reasonable thing to do. Okay, so let me just let me confirm, defer to you with my logic right here. So, and then let's go like if actually TMP So let's use this. Ha. And I'll show you why I'm doing this. So like that. And then if and then I'm going to p at search string, just to see if the update actually works in the whole context of the text menu, and see what stuff will get returned, my dudes. Pokédex, refresh. What did I name this? I guess it's not refresh. Reset, sure. If at tmp string is equal to this guy. I think that should be okay. Wait. Did I rename this? Yeah, I did. In one of the many parallel universes, I've searched being his best search engine, but certainly not in this one. Certainly. Crazy on blah blah blah. Wait. What's the chat saying? What is Lucas scripting? I'm scripting search stuff. Searching. Okay, so if I type P, I get 2. If I type S, I get 25. This is not doing its thing. Okay, this is printing out completely incorrect values. Come on, dude. There's some compatibility issues I'm seeing as well. Wait, let's try this again. So I'm getting numbers. Okay, the backspace at least works, which is nice. Backspace works, great. But my input is all messed up. And oh my god, did I not map it correctly? Source is 41. Oh, I didn't! No! No, I used the ASCII table for characters. No! Marin, why didn't you say something? Oh god. So I didn't map this correctly. That's great. Apparently according to Windows, look at this. Damn it. I was looking at the wrong thing. Because I'm a noob. You heard it here first, you guys. 37, 38, 39, 40. 40, and then this starts at 41. Yeah. Dum. 44, 45. Come on. 46, 47, 48, 49. Where am I at? 50. 1, 2, oops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and 66 for Z. Now, because it's hex code. Killing me softly with my brain. Right, it makes sense. C, D, and then this will be E, and O for F. O, where's the O key? Yeah. 3, 4, 55, 6, 57, 58, 59, and then 5A for the last one, please. Excellent. I think these are okay. Let's try it out now. And before he blames me for his thing that worked. Nah, don't worry, man. I didn't even pay close enough of any resemblance of attention. So don't worry. Daijoubu desu. Okay, P. P. Stop. Okay, so P. PP. PP. O. S. And let's see with Shift. S. D. F. Shift. Shift. Looks like I messed this up as well. Wait. Let's get back here. So that's the Shift key. Great. Nice dude. Are you going to be working on a new tile map engine for Essentials? Please make 3D and MMO RPG, please. Can you make a 3D MMO, please, right now? Okay, thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Look at there's imper press shift. Well, whatever, I do my thing. Because I'm stupid, I guess. Look, that's the whole point. We're doing things from scratch. You guys, how will you, Marin, how will you learn anything if you never do from scratch? You need to do stuff from scratch. Wait, there was one thing I wanted to test. First of all, oh. Wait. Is Shift treated as a back key? Or as search? Okay. Wait, is Shift search? Yeah, Shift is probably this as well. Dang it, so shifting is going to be... Okay, shifting is going to be something to think about. Yay. Yay. Implying not 99% of everything I do is from scratch. No, man, I didn't imply that. You're misinterpreting me. On purpose. Okay. So let's Shift P. Damn it, I really need to. And then P. Oh, but it's shifted now. P. But now it's always P. P. But I'm not pressing shift. Bro. Blacker. Wait, what's going on? Why is this thing acting weird again? Okay, man, thanks for tuning in anyway. Glad you can make it so far at least. So next time you grace us again with your presence, hopefully it won't be too boring, right? Yeah, see, once I shift it, it's only the P that remains shifted for eternity. It's okay. I got it. Oh, you gotta go as well, Zomori. Thanks for joining the stream anyway. Hopefully see you in the next one. Take care, dudes. Bye-bye. Actually, let's go like this. So if a key is pressed, key buffer, did I do it? Yeah, key buffer plus equals 1. Power. So wait, then I'm going to go if. So if no, but that's not gonna work with this setup. Actually, let's do nothing with the key buffer just yet. Let's try to refresh the stuff. How do I do this? Let's the scroll up. So, right, I have the blah blah blah, what's its face? Okay, self-refresh. A dex list, yeah, yes, this is dex list if dex list, yes. Okay, we'll try it. At list dot refresh. You'll see what I mean. At and I also need to have like this refresh dex list, which is going to sort out this stuff by name. Quick search. Quick search. Let's make a new temporary array for index list. Oh, and in MKXP I can also do stuff like array map, that kind of notation, and 1 and 2 and such. You really do like that kind of notation. I don't know, I never had much use for it. Typical. I guess I can just set this to nil. So for I in 0 to I don't even need this. I can just set the nil. So if okay, there's another function I'm going to need for string. You can't type the spaceship operator in YouTube. I think it's HTML and apparently not allowed to send you. I don't know, man. I have no idea what YouTube allows or doesn't allow. S is equal to self.scan or self.split actually, because scan is going to get rid of the spaces and I want the spaces. So for in S false if I don't know, I'm just going to do a dumb version of this thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Joking, we only need 9. Let's do a dumb version for now, whatever. Martin is going to hate on me, but at this point I don't really care. I'm just trying to whip up something quick. If not. We'll do it in words. Look at dude, ripoff. You have a method which does exactly the same. Well, great minds think alike, dude. But I need to check if it's only a string containing number or not. So yeah. I think this logic works. So if it doesn't include this, it's going to return false. Boom. Let's go back here. So if the search string is numeric, then I'm going to do dex list list I is equal to nil if I not equal to at search string I to I, else, and then I gotta get the species number. What are you talking about? I could do this. Wait, let me get back to this. It's even called the same. Wow, wow. Oh my god, yes, Martin, we get it. Oh. Okay, so now the conundrum is getting the species from the name. Haha, it's actually not a big problem. So, I'm going to steal some of my code again. Where's this thing? This guy. Shoot. Shoot, shoot. And species is going to be... We want to convert this to a symbol. And then dex, list, I. No, we actually don't want to convert it to a symbol because we want... So if you're searching for P, it's going to show up all the Pokemon with the name P, right? Pikachu, Pidgeotto, Pidgeot, and stuff like that. Yes, Marin, this is an old starts with. I'll show you the new one I have. This is my old one. The new one that's currently active is this guy. This starts with, and I think you'll be satisfied to see that it works with yours. Kaplow. Okay, so that's the new stuff I use. This is just, I didn't bother updating this here, so whatevs, dude. Whatevs, dude. Okay, I've already fixed it. Yeah. What was I talking about? Right. So this is not going to be that simple. You can convert symbol to string, right? Pretty sure. P 2S. Yeah, okay. Dragon Ball Super tomorrow. Yes! I can't wait. God damn it, where's the Vixa when you need him? Quick maths. Everyday man's on the block. Smoke trees. I see your girls in the park. That goes uckus. When the thing went quack quack quack, you boys were ducking. Hop out the photo with a 4-4. It was 1, 2, 3, and 4. How else do you think he compresses shit like get cons? Blah blah blah. Yeah, okay. Okay. Dude, don't get your panties in a bunch. Don't get it twisted. Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out the logic for this because the thing is, so I need to get the symbols of all the species in an array. Species. So I need that. So I need to get symbols. How does one get symbols? Symbol names of species. how does one do it? One does never know. I'm waiting patiently for my next Luca fanfic. Sexual tension between us is getting crazy. Well, it's Marin's fault, you know. He doesn't want to. He doesn't put out, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So basically, I want to get this. So let me dick around PB species. Oh, hopefully it's not one of those compiled classes, is it? I'm pretty sure it is. No, it's a compiled module. Is it a compiled module? Yep. I have a bad feeling it's a compiled module. Yeah. Def. Get count, get name. Is there a def get const? I mean, get sim? Doesn't look like it. Let's see what this guy can get. Def. You got so good. You're so glad when Brienne got knocked out. Yeah, man. Oh, my brain, it trembles. You can't get rid of a symbol of a species. You can't get the symbol of a species. Nope. Yeah. It's what I had feared. So I could make my own like def get sim or something like that. I can get the internal name. Oh my god, you genius. Yes. I totally forgot that was a thing. Yeah, I can get the internal name. That's brain exploded. True that. I mean, it's 22:48 my time. I'm pretty tired. My brain is not thinking anymore. Pokeball Pokemon. Where's the internal name? Man, this goes to show how like often I use essentials and like these functions. Not very often. I mean, species is the species number. Male name is the nickname. Let's go def initialize. I mean, it's probably sets the name to a default name, PB species get name. Ah, there we go. Boom. Yeah, Marin, sorry for skipping out on you. I was busy doing stuff. Name. Is equal PB species get name. I. So that's the name. Set up case. And then include species dot push I if there we go. Nil if not species dot include I. Oh god, let's see what monstrosity we have made. Self dot this guy. Well, the problem is my thingy doesn't even account for spaces for now. Okay, I'll look into that eventually. Huh. Only I could spell as well. Yeah, you gotta sub those symbols out. Actually, let's sub them out right now. Nah. Okay, I'll think of a better plan later. Yes, bro, I know how to G-sub things out, but in case the player, because I totally forgot about names that have like special stuff in them, so I obviously want to be able to search with a full stop, right? To type out Mr. Mime, P. And Gyarados. And it doesn't show out. I. I mean, I know I have a Pikachu, which is a 25. So why is this an index above? Maybe this guy's too much. That's right. Fudge. Yeah, so this is going to be like C, P, K, and then if I type the C, I'm triggering this. So this still needs some thinking about. Okay, but this works. I don't know why it's showing up these though. Like you can't even trigger them. Let's go. If so, go like not trainer, not seen, I, or same thing here. Because we don't want those guys, you know, to create a blah blah da 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 list. If I'm searching, I'm searching. Damn it. But yeah, quick search, great idea. P and huh. Huh. Ho. Ho 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 ho. He. I think actually it pushes two things. It pushes the ID number and the species, so it's a double array. Yeah, that's what I thought. Wait, what? Let me check out there again. Three, 2, 8. I think it was one of these things. Not too sure. Actually, let's next if. Next if it's nil. Yeah. So it's, yeah. That's the thing. Okay. Okie dokes, okie dokes. That's what I thought. Boom. Pick. Ah, there we go. Haha. Okay. Okie doke. Okie doke. Okie doke. And you know what? I'm going to add the buffer, not here. But the typing buffer is going to be inside of the keyboard snooper. So buffer is equal to 0. So let's go at buffer 0 here and go plus equals 1 def self dot typing and return at buffer greater than 0. So hopefully if not, I can never remember what I call this thing. Not dot typing. And this guy, same thing for here. So if I'm not typing and I press the thing, then I can do my thing. Let's see if it works. Hi, I have a big problem with your universal plugin installed. The loading resources screen does not advance, it stays put. Can you help me? Really would like. Okay. So the thing is, that purely depends on like what's up with your internet connection. Like there's several things that can happen. Since everybody was complaining, I mean not everybody, but certain people were complaining, oh, I'm getting timeout error bugs, blah 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 blah. So if you have antivirus, firewall, or other stuff that could possibly block HTTP requests coming through the UPI and prevent it from downloading shit, it's not going to be able to download stuff, right? Makes sense. Makes sense. IMO makes total sense. So I can't really do about it. If your internet connection is also really slow, you might need to wait longer. If it's the first, so this is the thing. If how long did you even let it run? Like you say it doesn't advance, but does it really not advance? Like is the little animation at the bottom playing, you know? Because if you're running the UPI for the first time, it caches a lot of images and it takes like there's plenty of packages right now on the UPI, so it takes a while to start up for the first time. So just let it do its thing. Let it be. And if you really feel like it's not downloading stuff, then I don't know. There's nothing I can do about that on my end. Just so you know. However hard I try. I just can't. Because that stuff is machine specific and not script specific. Pikachu. Ah, it worked. And if I press C, no. Now it doesn't work anymore. Huh. Because it doesn't reset the buffer. But it should. But it should. Huh. I mean, this gets handled every frame, and it gets handled afterwards, so... let's see if that makes a difference. This is turning out to be more annoying than I thought initially. What's my program about? It's about... Wait, which program? Nope, there is no other way to get EBS. Just that one way. Just the one way. Key input fetcher typing. Define program. Define program. Wait. Does this get triggered every single time? Hopefully not. Okay, so it just gets... Quite peculiar. Kind of confused. Okay. Wait. Okay, so it defaults back to 0. Weird. Weird. But this works. My last program, it freezes a lot. I don't know. It's very slowing. Again, if you want to be more specific, like... What? Ah, you're talking about this. No, I was just testing some things. That's why it was freezing a lot and very slowing, as you'd so elegantly put it. So if no, that's stupid. But yeah, technically you can't consider it a program. I'm just writing a script for essentials. Pokédex. Huh. Interesting. Okay, I guessed it. I guessed it. Okay. Okay. I understand. I understand. I guess I didn't even need to do it like that. I don't know, let's... yeah, sure. Let's go with this method for now. And see what that ends up... if that ends up working. So... okay, if I press C, no. Nope. Nope. If not typing. Okay. So, what's up with that? Ah, it includes the... Okay, that's something to consider as well. Yeah. Okay, so I don't screw this up. Yeah, I know what the thing is. No, no. Ah, yeah. There's not gonna be a nice way to. Because every time I press C or X, it registers. You know, it puts the X into the string and then registers that as typing. So. That's kind of a bummer. I guess. It's not gonna work though. I don't think I'm going to ever be able to use these two. Huh. I'm lost. I really don't have an idea how to combat this. Like, apart from remapping, I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. Yeah. Let's actually get this. So that way when I type C, I'm not going to see Pikachu. I guess I'm going to have to remap the buttons for exiting, and that's not nice. I don't want to do that because that takes away from the continuity of the whole experience in general. You know, like in one menu you navigate like this, and in the other menu you navigate like that. I guess you're going to have to continue holding control or something like that. It's the only thing, like. So, yeah. Yeah, I guess. So, yeah, this is going to be my method of overcoming this thing. Unfortunately, you're going to have to hold control to search. No, not control. But yeah, let's actually get some indication that you're searching for crap. which is handled where? Top. Says system font top. Yeah. Yeah. A big shock. How about the 4-door with the 4-4? It was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chillin' the corridor. I know this isn't the update graphics, so okay. So if it's not this, and then like this, otherwise next name, header. Let's see if this is okay. And I think I'm going to call it a day here. There's quite a bit I need to figure out off stream because it's right. Or so typing is equal to typing if trigger and return if not typing. So toggle a quick search with control and then like search stuff. And instead of this thing here, we're going to go at typing. So yeah, quick search with control then, I guess. Like, let's go. Toggle search. See? And toggle this off. I'll go like Pika, toggle this off, and then this is the best I can think of. Seriously, this is the best I can think of. Yeah. I really don't have another solution for this. Quit. Where are you going to post the Pokédex script? UPI, man. UPI. Everything I do pretty much since the UPI's release until the forever future is going to be handled in the UPI. That's just how I roll. Should I reset this thing? Yeah, I probably should. After show dex entry. Where is the def? and then add search string this, add typing false, just in case. Eliminates quick search. Eliminates quick search. There we go. Is there going to be a mouse-based button? Basically, yeah. I'll think of. It'll go somewhere on the screen. Yeah. It'll go somewhere. And I also do probably want to refresh the list. After it closes out, you know. So yeah, let's try this out. Let's try this out. And yeah, I'm running out of stamina. Hey, Pika. Search this, go back. Is it going to go? No, it doesn't refresh the list. Because I know why. Wait. Let me go back up. Let me experiment with a few things. Ah, that's what I thought. Ah, poop. Let's try this. Let me try a few things. Sorry for being quiet. So if not this, I'm going to go reset these values. Let's see. Who knew implementing one like quick feature would be such a pain in the butt? Okay. I go back. Still doesn't refresh, and I know why, I know why. Oh why, oh why. Basically order matters. Should go afterwards. Refresh dex list. Dex list. There. Let's hope in one hand, shit in the other. Hopefully this works out now. And if it works out now, I am going to finish up the stream. Let's go all the way down, the boogie down. Pika. And if I go in here, if I go out, ta-da! Okay, okay. Diggle. Okay. So as you can tell, searching works. And it's actually pretty, like... I mean, it's pretty responsive. Like, I can't outspeed it. Yeah, because there's not too much to render. Okay. So... it still caught me. I guess this is going to be okay for the future. And yes, you do need to see a species if you want to search it. Let's see what it looks like. Like if the national dex is not unlocked, I don't know how this works with multiple dexes. So this is nice that we got the Spinnerack here. Could be some, like, it's good benchmarking, yeah? Spinner. Yeah, okay, it doesn't show the monsters if it's not registered in the dex, because we're currently looking at the Kanto Pokédex, not the national one. If we had the national one, then I'm pretty confident it would be much better. But let's debug some stuff. Fill storage. Okay, fill storage boxes. Okay. Let's look at the dex now. Kanto Pokédex. Hey, let's go some Raichu. Okay. So we can see all the stuff. I guess this works. So navigation is still an option, even when you're searching, which is nice. I like that. Let's see. Poke is starting with S. So technically, if I have this, like, is there much need for the name search like this one? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think we need this. Actually, I could integrate all of this into like the search function with control. What do you think? Like even get the sorting and all that stuff and have it search in real time. A, B, C, D. Okay, I'm satisfied with this. I think it works as advertised. For quick search. The only thing that I do need to like, Mr. Mime, you know. But I guess, nah, you know what, I'm not going to bother. Because by the time you type in MR, it's going to be the same thing with type null. I don't know. I'll think about it. I mean, I probably shouldn't omit it, but whatever. I can just G sub the things out of it. Now I'll definitely include the rest of the search parameters. I'll definitely do it. But like the quick search is nice. No. Oh. Okay, now it's catching me. So I'll need to yeah, I'll need to optimize this thing, so while you're like while you're fast and furious about here, it doesn't refresh. So add some kind of buffer. Yeah. Face reveal when Marin spoke. Well, I wasn't a witness. Only when I witness Marin's glorious voice with my own 2 ears will I do the face reveal. Until then, I mean, like I said, this could all be one giant ruse, you know, it's just a setup. Everybody is like in on the joke except me. They're like, oh, you know, we're gonna pretend like Mario spoke, so we just like bait him or something. I'm way too smart for that, if you catch my drift. But anyways, guys, this is going to be it for this stream. I really can't go on anymore. I need to take a chill pill, eat something, maybe watch some anime. You know, the good stuff. Take a leak as well. That's good stuff. But hey, we made some progress at least. I mean, I did spend some time today before the stream getting this thing to work with Essentials version 17, but yeah, such a pain in the butt. But key input snooper fetcher. Yes. This thing is no bueno. I'll need to add a second buffer to it. Yeah. Now, actually, this would work. Looky. The only problem I can see is the temp variable which gets set on this thing right here. Come on, man, where did I put this thing? Oh, it's somewhere here. So if temp, because this thing gets like set to here and then blah 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 blah. Okay, wait, let me just think about something for a minute, and after I optimize this thing, then we'll do it. Then we shall do it. Nah, actually this works. But instead of we're going to go like so. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. rid of that. So if and so if I'm not typing and the temp string is not the same, that is going to do the stuff. Okay. Check it out. Now the Pokegear script is not finished. Not finished. There's still a lot of things to do. Believe it or not, I have like personal stuff to attend to when I'm not working on this kind of stuff. So where did I forget to No, let's test it out. Okay. Let's do it with filling in the Pokédex. Spinda. Yeah. It seems that this seems that it's still not doing its job. Key input fetcher. I think I know what could be. I think this, because this function does have a timeout, if I'm not mistaken. This function does have a timeout for the repeater step, so that's like, that could be it. We'll know for sure if I just like spam the P button. Ah yeah, there we go. It's only that this thing doesn't update either. Oh boy. So I'm going to have to use repeat. Howie. Yeah, this looks like it's going to be my function. Yeah. This is good enough. And let's put this like that. Maybe actually my string updated quickly enough, but not the text. Maybe that's what's confusing me. Keep forgetting to debug. Okay. Wow. This was quite the lame commentary for the stream towards the end here, eh? It still catches me off guard. Well, okay, you're going to have to. I mean, if you're like typing at an average speed, it's okay. I'm going to look into like creating a buffer for this as well. Because see that's like the delay it does. Like I press and hold the P, but there's a short delay, so we don't get like duplicate. I mean, that's the function I'm supposed to use. But I guess, yeah. I don't know. Maybe I can time it out by like have the buffer minus equals 1 if at buffer greater than 1, greater than 0. So kind of like taking account each and every key. So there's a significant, I don't know, chunk of delay. You should put a limit of characters. It's not really an issue. No. You know what? There. And this should probably offset it. Okay. Let's try with more. I mean, look, the limit of characters, it all depends on player sensibility. Like, if they see that after 3 typed characters they're not going to get any search results, I don't know why they would continue spamming it. I mean, it's a feature, it works, but like, come on. Some common sense should be used as well. Well, I guess the return is not too fast. The repeat is not fast enough. Yeah. Or maybe I'm too slow. Okay, whatever. I think this is okay, this works fine, whatever. I'm not going to dwell too much on it. Maybe bind this. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. But yeah. It's okay. Anyway, I'm going to wrap up things here. I don't like starting something new now. I mean, not starting a completely new thing, but starting like a new aspect of this script right now. Like I wouldn't be able to finish anything anyway, so I don't know, I don't see too much point in it. But yeah. Okay, we may work. I mean, I'm going to probably work on this in my spare time if I get bored enough. On the what's its face, the Pokédex script. But next week, maybe I'll continue working on this next week. But like always, I'll be on and off the different scripts, and they'll just be finished when they are. You know. I do like to do other things as well. Is it possible updates on Z moves in EBS? Nope. No Z moves in EBS. Not at all. Not one bit. Not one bit. But anyway, guys, thank you for joining this week again. It's been nice. Kind of lonely, you know. Davixa wasn't here this week. I'm crying myself to sleep today, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm a big boy. I think I can handle it. But yeah. Overall, stream was okay. We did a few new things, I think, for me as well. So that's okay. That's okay, boy. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining the stream. Thank you for tuning in. Again, next week, Saturday. We moved it to Saturday. I'm going to try not to forget to publish this stream and last week's stream because I forgot to publish that one. So yeah, a little conundrum. Anyway, I'm rambling again. I have nothing more to say except thanks for watching as always, I guess, for sticking until the end and being as, you know, as contributive and as active as you always are. Anyway, guys, see you again next week. Same bad channel. Ugh. Where's the Vixter to do the outro? No.